This was the function yesterday. Okay, so we had reached till here. Fine, till here we had reached. So this was the function we reached till here yesterday. Okay, so what is after this? Like we have seen that we have profit function and this we have revenue function and profit function, cost function. From that we can and related to the revenue and cost, there is one more term related, that's profit. So we are bothered about the profit here. Fine. So from the revenue and cost function we can derive the revenue profit function, because total revenue consists both profit and cost. It consists both. Once we remove and profit, what is profit equal to? Total revenue minus total cost. So that's because we have total revenue function here and we have total cost function here. Correct? So both things are, this is total revenue function and this is total cost function. Both things are with us. That's not the problem. So after we subtracted cost function from the revenue function, after we subtracted cost function from the revenue function, we got this and this. This is our final what is this called, equation for profit. Fine. After this, now we need to solve this. If you have not done it after giving you homework, most of you are not trying at home. I don't know why. How we would finish so fast? Tell me, what of syllabus is there to cover? After this, we need to do the same steps which we have done for last few classes. This is this one is profit function. Okay, where is that? This one is profit function. So we have to do the differentiation to it. Okay, so this we have derived from subtracting cost from the revenue. Now this is the total profit function. This function I will write in this slide again, so that we can go further for further treatment. Correct? So what is this? Price of x equals to, that has come under recording. Okay, let's see my mobile. Sir, Fogg Junior for class is unable to join the meeting. I have sent him the mail also. He has to follow the same procedure. Benjamin, I have sent him the mail, and I am not getting any request from him. Even if he doesn't join through the mail or through the like, if he has not clicked yes, he can directly join through the link. All time, let me tell you, you don't need to go all time to the mail and click from the link. Once your details, once you clicked yes in the mail, so whenever I share link, same link I share again daily. Okay, whenever I share link in the Google, this WhatsApp, you click on the link and you will be automatically joining the class. There is no need to go to mail again and again. Only first time you need to click yes and save the details, like save in the calendar, so that every time you will get like when you have class, because it is 10 to 11 every day except Friday 4 to 5. Please inform him. Okay, so once it is done in mail, then no need to go to mail again and again. I share for your convenience every day before 10 minutes 5 minutes I share in WhatsApp. You click on the WhatsApp same, but the Google, but the mobile email ID should be same which you have given. Even if it is same, then easily you can click like join from the WhatsApp. Okay, or else anyone can join and I will get the request to admit. I will admit from here, no problem. Please ask him to join. Okay, fine. Hmm. So what is the profit function? I will write the profit function again. P of x equals to double, it has come down. I cannot erase it now. Let it be. I will write again. P of x equals to minus x cube plus 57x square. That I remember. Minus x cube plus 57x square minus 315 x minus 5000. That's our profit function. Okay. After we derive the profit function, then we have to follow the same steps. The post condition is necessary, and in necessary condition, these are the conditions for optimization. Okay. Like it is differentiation is there, but these differentiation conditions are for optimization. Correct? First one is necessary condition where we need to do first differentiation. Then sufficient condition is second differentiation, and find the value differentiation. Then if it is less than 0 or greater than 0, it will decide whether it is maximum or minimum. That is our area of interest. So these are necessary and sufficient conditions to decide whether our function is maximum or minimum, which I have repeatedly shown in the last so many classes. Correct? So there is no issue in that. So what I will directly go to the problem function. Okay. So for example, if it is less than here, if it is less than 0, then it is max. If it is greater than 0, then it will be minimum. What? Maximum. At that point, it will be maximum. At that point, it will be minimum. This necessary and sufficient necessary condition means after the first difference, we should get two values of x. Okay, a and b, for example. It should be solvable. If it is not solvable, then it will be point of inflection. If it is not solved, if we are getting only one value, then it is not solvable. Then it is the point of inflection. That's also called the point of stationary. So till now, the theory, this background is over. Okay, I will not repeat it now. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now I will go to the first differentiation of this. Should have first step is we need to find the first difference. Then how we would do that? We have cost function, so we will differentiate it. I'm getting some request. Wait. No, 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 no. The first thing is differentiate. The first step is differentiate both side with respect to x. That's the first step. Then we will do what we will get differentiation is d. Huh? It is not partial differentiation, it is full differentiation. So we will write directly dp by dx. Okay, this is a profit function. Okay, that's why we are writing like this. Then it will be minus 3 into x raised power 2 plus 57 into 2 into x raised power 1. This point means into, okay, minus 315. एक minute. Sorry, this actually one person had come. That is the expected disturbance. Motion sir had come. He was asking something. Okay, so we have got this function here. Okay, you got it how? 3x, 3 will come down into x raised power x minus 1. Hmm? 3 raised power minus 1, n minus 1, and that one is x raised power 2 will be here, plus 57 into 2 x raised power 1. Only 1 will be left here. Then 350 into x raised power 0, that will be 1. Okay. So we can write it into 1 here. So that's not the issue. Hmm? 1. Minus 0, because this the differentiation of constant is 0. Fine. Then it will be equal to minus 3x square plus 57 into 2. I will do the calculation. Wait. 57 into 2, 114 x 114 x minus 315 minus. I am getting requested from someone now. Wait, let me see. Now he is able to join. You are able to join now. Welcome to the class. I guess after a long time you have joined the class. Okay. I will start it. We'll talk later. So this is our function question. Then after this, after we do this, then the for maxima and minima, we have to, like, this is this dp by dx. This we have got the final equation. Then what is the next step? For maxima and minima, put dp by dx equal to 0. So we have to put equal to 0, right? Then the what will be the function? It will be minus 3x square plus 114 x minus 315 equals to 0. And then we have to solve it further. Further means, like, we will see, let me see, divide by 3, whether 114 is divisible by 3. Yes, 114 is divisible by 3. 315 divided by 3. Yes. So we can take the 3 common. Not only 3, we can take the minus 3 also common. We'll put that on the other side. So we can get rid of minus this 3 and minus completely, because minus doesn't look good at the front. So what we will do, follow the steps. Okay, if you have any doubt or if you are not following me, let me know. I will go very slowly. I'm already going very slowly, actually, more than expected. This will be minus 3. We are taking common. What will be left in it? X square will be left here. Okay, This plus will become minus because we have taken minus common. 114 into 3, it will be some 38 x. Okay, I will check it again. 114 divided by 3, 38. It will be left as 38x, correct? Minus 315 divided by 3, 105 here. 105 equals to 0, correct? Then what will be the next last step I am writing here? Then I will go to this. Then this 3 we will put it here. We'll bring it here. It will become 0. Okay. So this 3 when we put here, it will become 0. And what will be left with us? The final equation. X square minus 38
Sir,
x.
hello. Sir,
Plus
that's
here.
plus 105.
Here. It will become plus, correct. Plus 105 equals to 0. See, this is, thank you so much. This is the important thing. Like if we mess up the sign, then everything will be wrong from that setup onwards. It happens. So you got it. So this till this we have done it. So what we will do, we will solve it further from here. So what we have got, you have to remember it. Okay. X square. We'll write here. Okay. X square minus 38x minus 38x plus 105 plus 10 equals to 0. Then the rule is same. Rule is completely same. How is that same? Same means we have to break this in such a way. Plus, we have to make it a plus in such a way that it is summation should be equal to this actual number. It is multiplication should be equal to this and this. It's multiplication. Okay. So, for example, I have already while practicing, I have already solved it. So it will be 35 into 3. That will be 105. We do 35 into 3. That will become 105. So what will be the function? The function will be x square minus 35x minus 3x plus 105 equals to 0. Now see, this 35 into 3 is 105 plus 105. X into x is x square. So it comes exactly, it should come same both the side. Okay. X into x is x square. 35 into 3 is 105 plus 105. And 35 minus 35 minus 3 is minus 38. It is exactly as we have taken. So this is the mathematical manipulation, but for solving, this is necessary. This is very necessary to solve the equation for further treatment. Right? This is called a mathematical manipulation. Okay. Otherwise, 30, for example, this is minus, both minus minus. 35 minus 35 minus 3 means 35 plus 3 is 38 only. No need to change in it. Okay. So we have to give the second sign also minus. Then only we can plus it to this. It will become exactly same as it is. But remember, the rule is this 35 into 3. This when we break this term, 38, this middle term, it is multiplication should be this number and x square should come like both side. It was multiplication should come both side, x square. Then this number should come 35 into 3, whatever it is, which I have showed you in the last classes also. It should come exactly this number, 105. Okay. Then we will take the common. Then what is common in the, there is not much common in it because there is no numerical value. So we will only take x as common in the first term. X will take. Then what will be left? X minus 35. When we take x common, x minus 35 will be left. Okay. Here we will take minus 3 common. Okay. So what will be left? Same, x minus equals to 0. Okay. And the second rule is this and this should come same. Then from these two we will take only one, and x minus 3 we will make another equation. Correct? So this is our rule. So first we will take this x minus 3, we will make it 1. X minus 3 equals to 0. That will become one thing. Then from x minus 35, it is common in both, so we will take it out as 1 only. X minus 35 equals to 0. Okay. So if you are unable to understand or you feel any difficulty, you need to ask me. Okay. Then what is the final conclusion? X equals to 3, x equals to 35. We have got this thing on our board. Correct? So if you have any doubt, anything, or you need repetition, you call me, ask me, unmute yourself, or say in the chat box also. That's open. Why this your Google chat box, not WhatsApp. Google chat box, you can open. No problem. Till now, it's okay. If you have any doubt, you call, you ask. Okay. So I hope these steps are clear. Okay. So why after breaking this, I will repeat it once. After breaking this, after making this like this, we have to break it. Huh? First, we have to take common this in it. Then from this section, we have to take common. But the portion inside the bracket should be same in both the cases. X minus 35 here, x minus 35 here. Then only we can take it as one common. It will become x minus 35 one term. Another term will be this x minus 3. This x minus 3 will be another term. So it works like that. So that's why I have written as it is x minus 3 here. Then x minus 35 one term. It is correct. No problem in that. Okay. Till now we have done it. Then what is the second step? Second step is differentiate both sides equation 1 where we have done the first differentiation. Okay. So again means double, huh? With respect to x, we have to do double differentiation now. So the first differentiation equation, that first differentiation equation is this here, minus 3x square plus 114x minus 1315. So we will write it. We will not write it here. We will write it here for our convenience. Okay. So dp by dx equals to, what was that? Minus 3x square plus 114x minus 305 minus 305. Correct. So this is our first differentiation. So what we said, differentiate both sides again with respect to x. So we have to differentiate it again. So what we will get? How that is written? That is written like this: d2p by dx square. This is double differentiation. Symbol. Then we have to differentiate this again. Then 3 2s are 6, and it will be minus 6 x raised to power 1. That we don't need to write. Plus, there is one only one in left in it as power, so it will become x will become 1. So it will be, what will be left? 1 1 4 into 1. This is into, okay, minus 0. So constant term, the differentiation of constant term is 0. Fine. So what is our final this? It is minus 6x plus 114. That is our double f prime x, or whatever, however you treat it. Correct? Here we need to substitute the value of this. X equals to 3, x equals to 35. Then we will get whether it is maximum or minimum, where it is maximum or minimum. So we will write first thing at x equals to 3, fine, d2p by dx2 equals to minus 6 3 plus 114. Okay, 6 3s are 18. So that will be equal to minus 18 plus 114. Okay, 114 minus 18, that's 96. That's plus 96. Okay, that is 96 plus 96. Okay, here this is plus, remember, plus 96. It is which is greater than 0 means, if it is greater than 0 means it is minimum function. Here at x equals 3 it will be minimum. What will be minimum? P, huh? P is minimum at x equals to 3. I will solve the second equation here only. I will try to finish it up here. X equals to 35. Okay, if it is visible, or else I will go to another this. Okay, so no need to make the conjunction, so much conjunction. I will go to another slide. At x equals to 35, at x equals to 35. Okay, then d square p by dx square equals to minus 6 was there. That was minus 6, right? Minus 6, 35 plus 114 plus 114. Correct? Then solve it further. Minus 6 into I will do it. I will do. I have calculator with me. Okay, 35 into 6. That is 210. Minus 210. Minus 210 plus 114. Then we will extract, we will remove, subtract 114 from 210. Sign will be minus only. So it is plus, it is minus 96. Okay, here it will be minus 96. Okay, which is less than 0. Then P is maximum at 35, or x equals to 35. This is our solution. So we have got two identifications now. One, P is minimum at x equals to 3, and P is maximum at x equals to 35. Correct? Then the next setup, I will do it very fast. Then we will not solve it for minimum, because the question asked us is here. Where x is measuring per tons per week, profit is maximum. Find out the level of output where profit is minimum, maximum. So I will solve it only for maximum solution, because time is not left much. I will solve it for maximum solution in 1 minute. Minimum you do it by yourself. Okay. The original equation is, now we need to go to the original equation. Okay. So that original equation is here. P, this one, this top equation. This one, this is the original. In this, we need to substitute the value of 35. Because why 35? Because 35, at 35 it is maximum. Correct? At 35 it is maximum. So we need to substitute the value there. So we'll see what we will get. I need to remember that formula. This minus x cube plus 56 7x square minus 10. I will write it. P of x equals to minus x cube plus 57x square minus 315x minus 5000. So here in this equation we need to we have to actually substitute both, but if we substitute 3 we will get the minimum value. Okay, if we substitute 35 after substituting the 35 we will get the maximum value. Okay, so we'll substitute only 35 because our goal is to see the profit at what level of output profit is maximum. So we will do minus 35 cube plus 57 35 square minus 315 35 minus 5000. Only 2 minutes I'll take. Okay, I will do it very fast. 35 into 35 into 35. Yo, it's very big number now. It will come minus 42875 plus wait 35 into 35 into 57, huh? It's very big number. 69825. This is second term minus 315 into 35 11025 minus 5000. So these are our total terms. Only one is plus, others are minus. Okay, so I will add all the minus values. Okay, minus 5000 1125 plus 5000 plus 42,875. So it will be the final. The final will be 69,825 minus all minus I have put together. So all minus it will make like this 58,900. Okay, then I will minus it 69,825. So the answer will be profit. The profit will be this much. Plus profit will be plus. Okay, 10,925. Got it? So what is the solution? Only one line I will write. Okay, please bear with me. Only one line I will write. The solution is I will write only one line here. This is profit. So how we have to write? Profit is maximum. Profit is maximum at x equals to 35 tons. What is that? Tons per week. Tons per week. Profit is maximum and profit will be equal to 10,925 that time. After putting x 35 tons per week raw material, the profit will be 10,925. That is the final solution.